If you are over 40 and want your breakfast smoothie to give you energy that lasts through the morning, build it this way. Blending does not add sugar or nutrients, but it breaks fruit into smaller particles, making its carbohydrate easy to consume and potentially available more quickly for energy. When a smoothie contains several fruits, juice, and honey without enough protein or fiber, that early energy may fade quickly and hunger can return before lunch. To turn that quick start into more sustained morning energy, use one main fruit, add a protein anchor, include a measured source of fiber or healthy fat, and use only enough unsweetened liquid to blend. I will use that 4-part formula to make 3 smoothies for more sustained morning energy: a banana yogurt classic, a berry protein blend, and a tropical green smoothie. As we make them, you will also see what each blender offers at about $35, $100, and $379, and which price level makes the most sense for your needs and budget. Before the recipes, remember 4 words: fruit, protein, fiber, and liquid. Fruit provides accessible carbohydrate for quick energy. Protein helps make the smoothie a real meal, while fiber and healthy fat can slow the pace of digestion and help the breakfast stay with you longer. That is the strategy. Not a brief burst followed by a fade, but more sustained energy through the morning. First, choose one main fruit. Second, add a protein anchor such as plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened soy milk, cottage cheese, silken tofu, or an appropriate protein powder. Third, add a modest source of fiber or healthy fat, such as oats, chia, ground flax, or nut butter. Fourth, add unsweetened liquid gradually. Too much liquid can produce an oversized drink before you realize how much food is inside it. Research in adults aged 49 to 71 found that a breakfast producing a lower, more sustained glucose profile was associated with better attention later in the morning than a rapidly absorbed comparison breakfast. That does not guarantee an energy boost for everyone, but it supports the idea of pairing carbohydrate with protein and fiber rather than relying on sweetness alone. Our first recipe puts that idea into the blender. The first recipe is the banana yogurt oat smoothie. This is the easiest place to begin because the ingredients are soft and do not require a premium machine. Add 1/2 cup of unsweetened milk or soy milk to the blender. Follow with 3/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1/2 of a banana, 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and a light shake of cinnamon. Add a few ice cubes only if you want it colder and thicker. Here is how this one supports morning energy. The banana and milk provide carbohydrate your body can use for fuel. Greek yogurt adds protein. Oats contribute beta-glucan fiber, while peanut butter adds some protein and fat. Together, they make a more balanced breakfast than banana, honey, and juice by themselves. Research on oat breakfasts also suggests that their fiber and thickness may improve fullness for some people. This is the recipe I would demonstrate with the Hamilton Beach Budget Blender. Soft banana, yogurt, milk, and oats are ordinary blending tasks. At roughly $35, this option is for someone who wants a basic smoothie without making a large investment. Add the liquid first, then the soft ingredients, oats, peanut butter, and ice last. Blend, stop, check the texture, and add liquid 1 tablespoon at a time if necessary. This is the gentle, familiar option. Useful carbohydrate from banana, protein from yogurt, and staying power from oats and peanut butter. The budget blender handles the soft mixture well. Our next recipe keeps the same energy formula, but replaces banana with frozen berries and tests a larger, colder batch in the Ninja. The second recipe is the berry protein breakfast smoothie, designed for someone who likes frozen fruit or prepares more than 1 serving. Add 3/4 cup of unsweetened dairy or soy milk, 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt or silken tofu, 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, 1 tablespoon of chia or ground flax, and 2 tablespoons of oats. If you prefer a thinner drink, add a little more liquid after the first blend, not before it. This recipe uses berries as the main carbohydrate source instead of combining several sweet fruits. Yogurt, soy milk, or tofu supplies protein, and chia, flax, and oats add fiber. In a randomized breakfast smoothie study, protein-containing whey and soy smoothies produced greater fullness than a carbohydrate-only smoothie. That does not prove this exact recipe will energize everyone, but it explains why the protein anchor matters when you want fuel that lasts beyond the first hour. This is where the Ninja BN701 becomes the practical middle choice. Its 72-ounce pitcher, 1400 peak watts, and automatic programs are useful for frozen ingredients and larger batches. At about $100, it is my best value recommendation for most regular smoothie makers. For someone who regularly blends frozen fruit or prepares breakfast for two, that extra capacity and automatic blending can make the morning routine faster and more consistent. Which do you use most often? Banana, berries, or tropical fruit? Tell me in the comments. Our final recipe changes the flavor and texture again with frozen pineapple, spinach, and flax, while keeping the same fruit plus protein plus fiber energy structure. The third recipe is the tropical green smoothie. This one tests texture because leafy greens and frozen pineapple can be more noticeable in the finished drink. Start with 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened soy milk or dairy milk. Add 3/4 of a cup of frozen pineapple, 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt or silken tofu, 1 small handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon of ground flax, and a small piece of fresh ginger if you enjoy it. Pineapple provides the carbohydrate and dominant tropical flavor, so we do not need mango, banana juice, and honey in the same recipe. Yogurt, soy milk, or tofu provides the protein anchor. Ground flax adds fiber and unsaturated fat, while spinach contributes useful micronutrients. The result is a lighter-tasting smoothie that still follows the balanced fuel formula instead of depending on fruit juice for a quick lift. This is the recipe that specifically demonstrates the Vitamix E310. Direct variable speed control can help you work from a coarse chop toward a finer texture, and the machine includes a 5-year full warranty. Someone blending leafy greens, frozen ingredients, or thicker mixtures very frequently may value those features. The practical benefit here is texture and control. If a smoother green drink makes you more likely to prepare this kind of breakfast regularly, those features may matter. If you make smoothies only occasionally, the lower-priced machines may already suit your routine. Here is the decision without the sales language. Choose the Hamilton Beach if price matters most and you mainly blend soft fruit, yogurt, milk, and modest amounts of ice. Choose the Ninja BN701 if you regularly use frozen fruit, make larger batches, or want automatic programs at a mid-range price. Choose the Vitamix E310 if you blend frequently, value direct speed control, and want its longer full warranty. Unlike juicing, blending keeps the fruit's pulp and fiber in the drink, and all three machines can do that. The more powerful machines can produce a finer, more consistent texture from frozen fruit, oats, seeds, and leafy greens. Research has not established that paying more automatically increases nutrient absorption, so the practical reasons to upgrade are texture, capacity, controls, durability, and how often you blend. The choice therefore comes down to the ingredients you use, the texture you prefer, how often you blend, and how much you want to spend. My recommendation remains Hamilton Beach for budget, Ninja for the strongest balance for most people, and Vitamix for frequent premium use. Then you choose according to your routine, texture preference, and pocket. Every recipe followed the same 4-part energy formula. 1 main fruit for carbohydrate fuel, a protein anchor, a measured source of fiber or healthy fat, and only enough unsweetened liquid to blend. The banana version is soft and familiar. The berry version is protein-rich and freezer-friendly. And the tropical green version combines bright flavor with protein, flax, and leafy greens. The individual links for the Hamilton Beach, Ninja, and Vitamix are listed in both the description and pinned comment as budget, best value, and premium. A separate collection link lets you compare all three. As a Walmart creator, I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases at no additional cost to you. The research supporting the nutrition information is linked in both the description and the pinned comment, so you can examine the evidence for yourself. Comment with budget, value, or premium, then tell me which of the 3 recipes you would actually make. Subscribe for the 3rd video in this test. Why your smoothie does not keep you full after 40. This video is for general education and is not personal medical advice. If you manage diabetes, kidney disease, swallowing difficulties, allergies, or another medical condition, ask a qualified clinician or registered dietitian what ingredients are appropriate for you.